leave the bitches bring me out the door. But finally I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. The stars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you held my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to flower to the floor. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what is owed. Oh, we could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. Rolling in the deep.
Nice performance. But of course, hindi naman kami
Galing.
mag-judge. Nagandahan lang kami. Sinabi lang namin.
Now let's
But
see
of course,
the judges' call.
We have the judges.
Judges?
Oh.
Estudyante ko siya nung kinder.
Estudyante pala ni Ma'am Sel nung
Gitarista.
kinder.
Nagulat ako kay Miss... What's your last name again, ate?
Gail po.
Gail, ma'am.
Cayetano.
Gabriel Cayetano. I never thought na kumakanta siya.
Amy
I
and
heard Amy
Stephen.
once.
Amy.
Once sang yung mga previous programs natin. Si Stephen. I never thought it's good job. It's a yes for me.
Yes, okay.
Okay, we have one
okay.
yes.
May we remind our students, please listen to our judges. Huwag tayong masyadong maingay, kids, kapag nagsasalita ang ating judge. Okay, next.
Okay, the performance is good. All you need is a little bit of practice. Medyo sumasabit sa ilang parts. But I think kaya na yan. Sige, yes.
Oh, they already
yes.
got 2 yes.
And you've got 3 yeses.
Okay, a
sweet.
straight yes
Thank
from
you
the
po.
judges. Thank you very much. Congratulations, GAS.
Congratulations.